let's connect with our chartists to find out some of their top chartbuster ideas. Kunal and Nooresh joining right back in with us. And Kunal, let's begin with you. What's the stock and the chart that's looking good?
So the PSU banking stocks are the ones which are looking attractive. In fact, the entire banking pack is looking attractive. So I picked up PNB in that aspect. The stock heading towards a breakout. So as you can see, the stock was forming a triangular pattern over here, a contracted range for the stock where it took earlier resistance closer to 84, 85 levels. Then the next set of resistance was closer to 82, and the more recent one was just approximately on this 80 mark for the stock price. Even in this contraction, the supports for the stocks were rising. So as you can see, the stock formed a major support closer to 50 odd levels, 60 odd levels in September. The recent support for the stock was around 66, 67 mark, and the extremely latest one was closer to 75 levels. So a falling resistance, a rising support indicates a contraction, and the stock was heading towards a breakout. So closer to 80 point is a breakout point for PNB, and post that I would expect the first level of targets closer to 85 to be taken out for the stock in the very near term.
All right, there you have it. It's a PSU bank that makes it to Kunal's list. What about you, Nooresh?
So that's a chart for Gail India, which is the weekly chart right from 2018. 2017-18, it made two tops around this 125 to 130 mark and drifted lower. Then going into 2021-22, 110, 115 was the resistance which we crossed. And now, after the initial move at 130, it made 2-3 attempts around this area. And finally, we've broken out above the 130-32 mark. So that's like a new all-time high, a 5-year high, and a huge breakout. I would expect this to be a start of a new uptrend for Gail India, wherein it could start outperforming going forward. I have a target price of 160 to 200 in the medium term. A stop loss to be kept at 123.
Okay, let's talk individual stocks as well. Kunal, what are you betting on?
So betting on banks, Axis Bank is the first stock which I would recommend as a buy. Fresh up from current levels, targets of 1140, stop us at 1065. And Canara Bank is the other name which I would suggest as a buy, targets of 440, stop us 390.
Right. Nooresh, what about your stock ideas?
So first would be a buy on ONGC nearing a new 52-week high here and almost a 3 to 5 year high. Stop loss at 190, target price of 220. Second is a buy on GMR Infra, which after breakout is consolidating. Stop loss at 59, target price of 67.